Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to open a market order. There are several ways to do it. Let's say, you want to open a new order, on Euro versus the US dollar. You can check the desired symbol, directly on the chosen type of trading list. Swipe left or right to use the quick buy or sell feature. Another way to place a market order is by using the search icon. You can find it at the top right corner of your screen. Now, let's search for an instrument. Type EU or USD and select a symbol. You can also go to the My Trades section. Choose New Trade and search for an instrument. Go to Advanced Trade to set up commands like Take Profit, Stop Loss, or create a pending order. Now, select the direction of the trade, buy or sell. Choose the volume of your market order and tap Confirm. Your new order is now open. Now you can open a market order in the SimpleFX app. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day and a good trade.